and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, McDonough, Decatur, Fayetteville, Conyers, Jonesboro, City of South Fulton, Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, and Fairburn. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most floods have security rules. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. What minor flooding is occurring? Where? Winnow Creek at the Fewers Ferry Road in Atlanta. When? From early this morning until further notice. Impacts at 15.0 feet. Flood stage is reached. Minor flooding begins upstream and downstream from the gauge on the Fewers Ferry Road.
The flash flood warning for Clayton County in north central, southeastern Cobb County in north central Georgia, DeKalb County in north central Georgia, northeastern Fayette County in north central Georgia, south central Fulton County in north central Georgia, Henry County in north central Georgia, Rockdale County in north central Georgia, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. At 6:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, McDonough, Decatur, Fayetteville, Conyers, Jonesboro, City of South Fulton, Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, and Fairburn. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
http://www.weather.gov/